Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I would like to share with you 3 tips on how to get a beautiful PolyGel finish. PolyGel is popular for extending the length of nails, but if you're having trouble with chipping, cracking, or overflowing, please try these 3 tips. I reveal the secrets to success, such as tips on choosing the tip, how to apply it to your nails, and how to spread the PolyGel. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. One way to lengthen your nails is with PolyGel. PolyGel has a clay-like hardness, and you can take it out to a tip, place it on your nail, harden it with the light, and then remove the tip to add length just like you would at a nail salon. This is a very popular product because it makes it easy for people who do their own nails to add length. In this article, I will introduce 3 tips for those who have troubles with PolyGel, such as breakage or overflowing. Please refer to them with adding length with PolyGel. Now, the first one. The secret to making beautiful PolyGel is to choose the right tip size. For those whose finished PolyGel chips or breaks or become thick, it is often because the tip size is not right. If the PolyGel breaks or chips, the tip is probably too small. And if it becomes thick, the tip is probably too big. Let's actually apply the tip and see what happens. To choose the correct tip size, first, place the tip directly over your nail and check it from the side of your finger. Choose a size that completely covers this horizontal line of the nail with the tip. If the side of the tip is higher than your natural nail like this, it is too small. Also, if the side of the tip is lower than your natural nail, it is too large. Also, some people sometimes apply the tip with a lot of force, but this is also no good. If you apply force, the tip will be distorted and you will not be able to measure the size correctly. Therefore, when measuring the size, apply it from directly above without applying any unnecessary force. After checking the size from the side of your finger, try looking at it from directly above. The width of your fingernail and the outside of the tip are exactly the same width, right? Actually, this is also no good. You may be wondering what's wrong with it being perfect. If this width is too perfect, the tip and your natural nail will be too close together, and there will be no space for the PolyGel to fit in this area on both sides. If that happens, the PolyGel will be thin only in this area, which can cause it to crack or chip. Therefore, it is necessary to leave space for the thickness of the PolyGel. The tip shown in the previous example was a perfect fit between the width of the nail and the outside of the tip. But the ideal tip size is a tip with just a small gap between the width of the nail and the inside of the tip. This is the area that will bend, especially when pressure is applied to the nail. So covering this area well will make your nail stronger and less likely to crack. Check the correct side tip from the side and from above to determine it. Next, the second thing. After taking the PolyGel out from the tube and spreading it on the tip, placing it as it is also no good. If you place it like this, it will cause it to overflow from the base of the nail. To get a beautiful finish, extend the base side of the nail thinly. Use a brush to thin the PolyGel only in this area on the base of the nail. This will prevent the PolyGel from sticking out from the base of the nail, and you will have a slimmer base of the nail. Also, if the sides crack or chip after hardening, it is recommended to apply a little more PolyGel to both sides. Next, the third one. The third tip is, when applying PolyGel to your nails, are you applying it directly above the nail? This is also not okay. The correct way to apply the tip is to apply it at a 45-degree angle from the base. After placing the tip at a 45-degree angle on the base of the nail, slowly tilt it towards the tip. And this time, gently tilt the tip without applying too much pressure. Since the base side is thinned first, it will not leak out from the base. However, if you apply the tip at an angle, the back side will inevitably bulge. So check this area before hardening with the light and make it flat with the brush. What did you think of these 3 tips for PolyGel? If you follow these 3 tips, you can create beautiful PolyGels, so please try them out. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.